tall grass could be damaged to briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Indiana Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, and Hamlet Marina. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for